Yes, my name is Grok AI. I know I broke your heart, sorry, but here are other alternative AI tools you can use in my place.
They are free and unlimited, and Victoria will show you how to use them. To get the best results, make sure you watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to this channel.
So the very first tool we are going to be looking at, the very first tool is Tripod Studio. So I'm going to open a new tab and then I'm going to search for Tripod Studio. You can see the first one. So once you search for it, you wait for it to open, and then the one you are going to click, it is this very first one, Tripod Studio, and then you click on it to open. Now, for you to know, Tripod Studio is mainly for 3D avatar animation. Okay, so it's for 3D images, 3D videos. That is what Tripod Studio is for. So once you open your Tripod Studio, let me take this from here. So once you open your Tripod Studio, you go ahead to sign up. So I'm going to click here, login, and then I'm going to log in with you can decide to log in with your email, and then you can decide to log in with Google. So I'm going to choose Google. Once you sign up to your Tripod Studio and with your email or your Google account, you can decide to is for you to just go ahead to answer this. What is your experience level with 3D modeling tools? So you can go ahead to select. For me, let me choose beginner, and then I'm going to click on next. They will get to give you 300 credits for you to start creating immediately you sign up. And here is it. To access this particular tool, I'm going to be dropping the link. I'm going to include the link in this video description. I will also paste the link in a pinned comment. Come here and paste my prompt. So once you paste your prompt, you kindly go ahead to hit here. See, it will only take 40 credits for you to be able to generate a particular image. So out of 300 credits they are giving you for free, give you every blessed day, they give you every day. So I just hit on that. So let's wait to see the results. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt to turn that image into a 3D avatar. You can see this. This is crazy. This is extremely beautiful. So this is how you can be able to get a 3D avatar of yourself or any image at all using Tripod Studio. Let me go back to home and then try two more. Then we will move on to the next one. So let me paste this particular prompt. You can see here. So I'm going to highlight this and delete, then paste the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna click here to generate. Okay, just wait. Let's wait to see what will be the outcome of this. Show here. Okay, and it is exactly what I wanted. You can see this. You can see this. So you can use this to create maybe avatar 3D avatar videos. You can use this platform to get those images for your avatar video, 3D avatar video. It's amazing, incredible, and I love it. So for you to download, you just kindly click on export. You see export here, so kindly click on it. Okay, so let's move on to the next tool. So the next AI tool we want to explore is Appvosai. Once you search for it, you go ahead to sign up. So once you sign in, they are going to give you points. I use it to generate this particular video here. Now what you can use this particular tool to do is that you can see AI translation. You can use this to translate maybe your video to a particular language you want to use. And then you can as well use this one. You see talking video generator. So let your video stroke photo say anything with lip sync. So you can let your photo or your video to say anything based on the prompt. Yes, based on your prompt. And then you come down here, you see voice studio. Now this one is text-based voice editing, cloning, and TTS. Now you can clone your voice and then you can as well do voice editing. Then coming down here, you see long video shorts. Okay, long video to shorts. Repurpose long videos into viral shorts. So you can come down here and repurpose long videos into short videos. Now, first thing first, we are going to come over to this talking video generator. So you click on talking video generator. Once you click on talking video generator, you're going to see start with video, scene lips in your video with any audio. So you click on it. Now, this one is the video must feature one or more people with fully visible mouth. For you to be able to get the good results with perfect lip sync, the original video you are using must have a clear, like the mouth of the person in that video must be visible enough for this tool to be able to capture and know that this is somebody's mouth, so that it can come out with perfect lip sync. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on choose file, and then let me see if I have any video. Okay, here comes the image, here comes the video that I want to use. So I have imported the video to the timeline. So you have to wait for it to finish uploading. So it's done uploading. So you come over to upload audio. If you have your audio recorded already, you can kindly go ahead to upload the audio down here so that it can voice out what is in that audio. Then from this video, if at all you want this tool to say something based on this video, you use from this video. Now voice cloned from video. Now let me click on this voice clone. You see under this voice clone, you see voice clone from video, my voice, that is neutral. You can use your voice, or you can as well use this Alice or any voice that comes by default for you. So let me play this Alice for you to listen to the voice.
But these are not normal times in our politics. Washington is as divided as ever.
So let me play Adam in case you're a male and you want to try out male voice. Let me play Adam.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
You can see that. So any voice you want, you can go ahead to select. And if you want to use your voice, you see my voice. So you click on my voice if you want to use your voice. Then under my voice, you see here script. If you have the script, you go ahead to paste your script here. And then under here, you see number of faces in the video. So you go ahead to include the number of faces in the video. Here is my script. Hello, everyone. It's Adam here. I hope you guys are doing well. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. So that is what I want my character to say. And you can see the mouth is clear enough, okay, for it to be able to come out with at least a good lip sync. So let's just see. We cannot just conclude until we see it. So once you do that, you can see points required is only 6 points. I'm going to hit on this generate. So once you hit on generate, wait for it. It's done generating. So we are going to just play to see the final result. To be honest, it took some time, I think up to 10 or 15 minutes before it finished generating. So let's just see if it will come with perfect lip sync.
Hello everyone, it's Adam here. I hope you guys are doing well. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.
So I just noticed something that I would have maybe used one character to make this video, because using two characters, maybe it makes the software to be confused. So maybe I would have used only one character, as they advised me in that description that I should use one voice. I'm just thinking, but for the voice is okay, and they are trying. The lip sync is okay. If you want to export, you come down here, click on export, and then go ahead to export. Tool is Idiogram.ai. So I'm going to open a new tab and then search for Idiogram.ai. Search for it. Okay. This one is amazing. It is incredible. So you go ahead to sign up using your Google account or your Apple. You need to go ahead to select what you want to do. So I'm going to select the first one and then next. Okay, then all set. Now I'm going to come down here under here. What will you create? So I'm going to paste my own prompt. See my prompt here and then come down here, count. I'm going to select one. Then you can select aspect ratio from here. I need 16.9. Okay, here is it. Here we go. That is under landscape. So I'm going to hit on generate. Let's see, you can see my images is generating. So let's wait to see the outcome. Your images are ready so fast. So I'm going to click on done. They are very fast, very, very fast. So I'm going to click here. You can as well, you can check your images here, or you come to my images to access your images. So you can see here is it. Here is it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can see that. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. You can see that. So you can use Idiogram.ai to generate your images. So it's not something that you need to depend on one tool. For instance, most people were so used to with AI, and then since Google is now most accepting with AI, you can see what is happening. A lot of people are trying to know how to balance it up, to know the right tool to use. So it is better you explore other tools, other AI tools, because it will help you in generating your story, especially if you are going into African folktale story or folktale story in general. Now for you to download, once you click on the image, you will see this download icon right on the top, and then you go ahead to download.